Have you ever wondered what it would be like to sit in a classroom with 45 other students and listen to one teacher teach? How could any student be able to successfully pass a class and still learn what needed to be learned in that classroom with 45 other students? In 2008, the ratio of students to teachers was 15.8 students per teacher. This statistic counts special education and other specialized teachers who normally have much smaller classroom sizes. The U.S. Department of Education estimated the current average class size for 2008 was closer to 25 students per teacher. In 2010, 35 states had laws restricting the number of students that may be included in a general education classroom. Most of the times, districts couldn't have smaller classroom sizes because of budget cuts, so they couldn't afford to hire more teachers, or the teachers that they did hire was very unqualified and could not teach their students effectively.
Teachers are also affected by overcrowded schools.
Well, an example of class sizes is that one of my classes this year is small, and when we do labs, everyone has their own microscope. So they get much more into it. I get them a lot more personal time, and they really learn the material quite a bit better. And two of my other classes are very, very large, where it can barely get 2 people on a microscope, sometimes 3, and it makes it much more difficult.
I have been in probably more than one overcrowded classroom, and I think I successfully learned, but I think that had a lot to do with maybe my own personal motivation. I think I could have learned a lot more and taken a lot more out of the class had it not been so overcrowded.
Elementary school.
And you have 42?
42 in my math class. I have 36 in my regular classroom.
Wow. What do you think is going to change? How will all this get squared away, do you think?
Well, I hope that we're able to see that our teaching is not as effective.
With over 40 kids in this math class, the teacher is already working weekends to keep up.
I'm very tired.
The worst layoff in 20 years in Beaverton means more than 150 fewer teachers. Classrooms so packed they can't fit in desks. And even more changes.
The librarian is actually now my daughter's second grade teacher.
The district is asking parents to step up. One thing that's changing this year is how parents are used as volunteers. They're doing a lot more heavy lifting than putting up bulletin boards.